Yo everybody, and welcome to Resident Evil 4 Chainsaw Demo. I played the other demos, so I'm like, why not? I said I wanted to get more Resident Evil 4 on the channel, so deal with it. Hope you guys like the RoboCop content. I'm still uploading it. It takes forever
September
to upload.
30th, 1998.
Oh yeah,
It's a
cutscene
day I'll
kill.
never forget. The cop inside me died that day. And that night, Raccoon City was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by Umbrella. Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky. I was asked later to join a top-secret government program. Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain. Even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
Alright. If you want to read that, you can read that. But let's do this. So I know this demo is not long, but I don't know. It's October, so
How far could
it's
you
the
have
feel.
gone?
But yeah, guys, I'll be getting back to the FNAF content.
Anyone
I just
home?
kinda been in a mood, so.
Sorry to barge in like this. Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
Uh-oh.
This is not
Honestly,
good.
this game is just like a fun game. So, this replaying the demo actually is just fun for me because I really enjoyed this demo. But RoboCop demo was the best demo I played. It definitely tops this, at least in my opinion.
Hey!
Well, he's dead.
I read you. What's your situation?
Well, the other guy's dead now.
What the hell's going on?
Good question.
What was that? No fucking way.
Normally I do a little trick of him, but I don't know. I would do is like what I would do normally. So I'd sit here, let him kind of come to that, and then run around him. It's just more of a my tip if you're playing harder difficulties. Yeah, one bullet, dude. Make it count. Oh, there's Ashlyn.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
The President's daughter, Baby Eagle. It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
Hurry up.
Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are... Gotta go. Talk later.
Oh.
I'll let myself out.
Okay, weirdo. Head for the lake. Oh yes, crows give you stuff if you kill them. But if you want me to actually play the full-on game, let me know that. Can't use the typewriter. What else is there? Alright, let's keep on moving. Oh, there's the wolf. I'm gonna get this box. There was a dude around here. I just don't know where he is.
Un forastero!
Oh shit. Ah, there's two. Kick him, bitch. Fuck, I missed. Oh shit. I'm still surprised they didn't decide to make that damage you. Just kind of stuns you.
Ahí está. Puede ser.
Oh, loser. Gotta load up on some stuff. I know how to craft and stuff. Well, the demo's out there if you want to try to find it. Honestly, it's worth playing the demo if you haven't, like, knowing if you want to buy the game or not. This gives you a good feel of how the combat will be. Oh, there's the other guy. Okay. Yeah, he's dead. Shit. Okay, luckily she's blind. She's dead. Don't mind me. I just love how like that doesn't alert them. What else? Okay, never mind. I did.
Here we go.
Fucking bitch. Stabbed my ass. I'm gonna have to start moving it now. You.
Next.
There's so many of them. Uh-oh. Chainsaw guy.
Present for you.
You gotta be kidding me.
Oh, the thing already. Whoa, what the fuck happened here? I didn't expect the bell to go off already. Damn.
La campana.
That was quick. I forgot how quick it was.
Él nos invoca.
I guess I was just that good.
Tenemos.
I didn't even grab the shotgun. Well, I guess it is what it is.
Al Lord Sattler Todopoderoso.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Oh, that's the demo for you guys. If you actually want me to play Resident Evil 4, let me know. I may do it. Maybe. I'll probably play Resident Evil 2 first. If I did that. Because, I started Resident Evil 2, I just never beat it. Yeah. I just want to do a little quick video, guys. Something different, because I don't have the most amount of time, but I wanted to like mix up content at least, so that we have multiple things to do, not just me sitting on my ass playing the same thing over and over again, basically. But thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in another video, and I'm gonna do FNAF Ruin soon, so be prepared for that. And peace out. Boop.